Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist. It's a British blue kitty. Just getting the general shapes and flow here. Create a muzzle there. Wasn't really sure what direction I was going with these legs, but it worked out in the end. Got to shorten that tail up a bit and place the paw properly. See, I don't worry about overlap at this stage. It would interrupt the flow of energy if I did. I just let those extra lines fade away into background tone as I progress. This kitty did end up a little stockier than the one in the photo, and as you'll see in the end, a little smilier too. But that's okay, I just kind of let my cats become what they become. It's not about copying the photo, it's about using the photo for inspiration and my own interpretation. It's expression I want more than anything. It's a line for the eyes. Get them in the right place. Little smirk. Now that I see what I've done on this one too, I'd like to try the same photo again and really capture that same look that the cat in the photo actually has on its face, because it's kind of a cool look. So we'll see. But right now, this is this kitty. No, that was just down too low. It didn't fit with the other paws. It's just kind of tucked in behind that tail. I do love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me what you want to learn about cat drawing. I get lots of ideas from my viewers' comments. Or I just like hearing about you or your cat or whatever. That smug little look. We don't see a whole lot of tabby marks in that gray kitty, but blue kitty I should say. But I squeak some in anyways because they, especially that classic M on the forehead, it just really adds some expression and kind of defines the forehead too. It's just enough to not make it look like a tabby, but to add expression. Each little line can change the expression. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.